Hi, I'm Scott Tomlinson with Clinical Trials Ontario, and in this video we're going to look at the Correspondence feature in CTO Stream. During the video we're going to cover what is Correspondence, the Correspondence tab on the Submission Timeline page and how to navigate to it, how to view and reply to messages sent by the study team, and how to send a new correspondence message to the study team, as well as who gets notified when the REB responds to a correspondence message or initiates a new message to the applicants. The Correspondence feature facilitates communication between the study team and the REB of record by allowing the study team to send messages to the REB about their CTO Stream application. The REB can respond to these messages as well as initiate new messages of their own on any submission that they've received. This is an especially helpful feature because CTO Stream utilizes an REB of record model where applicants may not be familiar with contacting an REB outside of their own institution. The Correspondence feature does not support messaging between REB members or between the REB office staff and REB members. Instead, this can be done by utilizing panel comments and form comments or by another method such as secure email. Everyone from the REB with a CTO Stream account receives an email notification each time an applicant sends a new correspondence message. The number of unread correspondence messages for a submission appears as a red number above the Correspondence tab on the Submission Timeline page. To view correspondence messages attached to a submission, click on the Correspondence tab. All messages previously sent between the REB of record and study team are displayed here in a table format. The table contains information about each message, such as who sent the message and the date it was sent. When the REB sends or replies to a correspondence message, the REB user's name is not displayed on the applicant side of the system. To open a message, click on the data in that row and it will open inside of a pop-up window. Note that clicking on the review reference number does not open the message. Instead, it will take you to the submission timeline page for that application. To reply to a message, click the green reply button. A text box will appear where you can draft your response. At the top of the window, you'll notice a blue bar which says the message will be delivered to the form owner and the project owner. This means the form owner and project owner will receive an email notification about the REB's response. This cannot be changed or undone. When the REB replies to a message, an email notification is automatically sent to all users with access to the application form in CTO Stream. However, the REB can choose the specific users they want to receive the email notification by unchecking the Include All Collaborators checkbox and then selecting the specific users from the list of users that have a role on the study. Only users who have a role will appear in the list. Regardless of which users are selected, the project owner and the form owner will always receive the notification. Applicants can send a correspondence message on their application before it has been submitted, and when this happens, the REB can still view the message and respond, but the message can only be viewed from the Correspondence tab of the Project Overview page. To go to the Project Overview page, click the blue study title at the top of the page while you're on the Submission Timeline page, just like I am right now. When the study team sends a correspondence message, it is attached to a specific submission of the application form. If the REB sends that submission back for changes, the correspondence messages on that submission will not appear in the Correspondence tab on the resubmitted application. The messages on the previous submission can be viewed by clicking on the Form Submissions button from under the Action menu while you're on the Submission Timeline page. And then you can open up that previous submission and view any correspondence's messages that were attached. The REB of record can initiate a new correspondence message to the study team while on the Submission Timeline page for any submission from the project. To do this, you must go to the Correspondence tab and click on the New Correspondence button. A pop-up window appears and there'll be a text box where you can type in your message. You can also upload a file to the message if required. And once you've finished typing in your message, you can click the green Send button at the bottom of the pop-up window. A green message will appear at the top of the page once the message has been sent successfully. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions about CTO Stream or are having any technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a help desk ticket. You can visit ctontario.ca for more video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets.